This Baseus BP1 Pro is a pair of earbuds we recently tested. We found that this model not only pursues the ultimate in design, but also achieves significant breakthroughs in performance. It is not only high-res certified, but also delivers unexpectedly impressive results in various tests and wearing experience. The charging case is oval-shaped. Its size and weight are just right, making it very portable. The case is black with a smooth surface that has a certain sheen. In terms of the feel in hand, it is also smooth with a slight matte texture. There's a logo on the front and a Type-C charging port on the bottom. This kind of appearance usually reduces fingerprints and sweat. The case opens and closes well with a magnetic closure, which is very convenient to use. The earbuds match the case in appearance, also being black. The stem of the earbuds is imprinted with the brand logo, small but clearly visible. There's also a circular touch control area for managing playback, pause, and noise cancellation. The earbuds are designed with a curve that fits snugly into the ear canal, ensuring a good fit that won't easily fall out. As in-ear earbuds, the Baseus BP1 Pro offers a comfortable fit that suits the majority of ear canals. Even after wearing them for over 4 hours, there's no ear fatigue or pain. They also won't slip off during activities. I believe that for earbuds with a bass in the name, the bass performance should be a highlight. So we tested the frequency response curve of these. In the low frequency range, there's a significant peak at around 50 Hz. This means that the earbuds will produce more pronounced bass within this frequency range, making the bass sound fuller and more powerful. The amplitude then gradually decreases and stabilizes. The mid-frequency range is the primary frequency range for vocals and most instruments. There's a slight rise in the curve at around 1 kHz, followed by a drop. However, there's a noticeable peak between 3 kHz and 4 kHz. This could cause certain frequencies within this range to stand out more prominently. Such as specific vocal details or particular instrument sounds. In the high frequency range, above 5 kHz, the curve drops significantly, especially above 10 kHz. This means that the BP1 Pro has a lower amplitude in the high frequency range, which may lead to a loss of high frequency details and a less bright and clearer sound overall. Now let's listen to the actual audio recordings to better understand the performance of the BP1 Pro.
Magic pace, sway to the beat, hands up, embrace who you wanna be. We're reaching heights unseen, whoa, whoa, whoa. Feel the fire deep within, you're the key to where my trust begins. Join my dream, it's just the right time, whoa, whoa. Leave it all behind, get ready now. Rise up into my world. Renew your definition. World so high, let me show. And hear my declaration. No more ties.
When listening to electronic music or tracks with strong drum beats, the bass is capable of delivering a strong sense of rhythm and impact. The overall balance is maintained well.
Birds are born with no shackles, then what fetters my fate? Blown away the white petals, leave me trapped in the cage. The endless isolation can't wear down my illusion. Someday I'll make a dream unchained. Let my heart bravely spread the wings, soaring past the night to trace the primal light. Let the clouds heal me of the stings, gently wipe the sorrow dream.
In this track, the female vocal is presented with a clear, natural, and delicate texture. So what are your thoughts? If you're not satisfied with the default audio performance of the earbuds, you can download the Baseus app. In the app, you can customize the sound according to your preferences using spatial acoustics, dynamic sound, and EQ modes. The app also offers additional features such as noise cancellation. The Baseus-based BP1 Pro offers 5 noise cancellation modes, which are designed for different environments. We did a brief noise cancellation test, and you can watch the following part to see whether the performance meets your expectations.
ANC on.
The earbuds support SBC and AAC decoding and are high-res certified with the LDAC codec. For outdoor enthusiasts, the BP1 Pro is IP55 water resistant, making it suitable for various activities. We have made a data cable regarding the battery life and charging speed, which you can refer to for the info. Currently, the Baseus-based BP1 Pro is priced at around $40 US. Considering the audio performance, functionality, and design, this model offers a very good value for the money. So if you're interested in them, you can make a purchase via the link below the video. This is Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.